Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze fills up the room.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Of course, it's me, the blessed Gangina, God's favorite. And when I say that God took his time to cry me, I mean, look at all this beauty. Anyway, guys, I take this opportunity to welcome you to my amazing and growing online community, and let's do life together. We can't miss it. So I've just decided to do a simple video for you. That is, we're gonna reset this living room.
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze fills up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Coffee stains on the table. Lazy kisses, we're unable to escape this cozy bubble where we're lost in each other's troubles. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Lazy weekend, it's a lazy weekend, just you and me. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free.
Indeed, it was such a lazy weekend for me. Like, as you can see, I was all indoors doing my share by myself. Like, yeah, my cleaning lady was here the previous day, and yeah, I decided to do the cleaning on my living room by myself. As you can see, I'm really enjoying doing my seats, like removing the dust on my couches, and I'm using a microfiber piece of cloth which doesn't collect fur. And also one thing I love about my seat, they don't collect fur. Like here, nizile tu viti, such a good fabric. I love it so much. Yeah, I just love the music. It's just a lazy weekend, just you and me. It's just apa, it's just me in my house, just me and my couches, just me and myself in my apartment. Guys, don't mind me. Anyway, I just love doing life. I just love my simple life. And yeah, if you have no, what is it called, ile kitu ya kutoa vumbi, no problem, you can use a piece of cloth, nice detergent with good smell, and then have your seats cleaned. Like, you can clean your seat by yourself. You don't have to have hii kitu inaitwa aje, jina imepotea. Let me know in the comment section if you know what I'm talking about. Hii mashine ya kutoa vumbi kwa viti, kwa carpet. Yeah, why am I nasikia kusema air freshener? It's not air freshener. Anyway, let me know in the comment section, guys. And if you're loving it so far so good, just go down there and comment. Let me know how you find my video right here. Like, ikoaje mpaka pale umewatch ukafikia hapa? How do you find it? What should I work on? Ama to create WhatsApp group, tuchange hiyo kitu ya kununua tuchange hiyo kitu ya kutoa vumbi kwa viti. Yeah, I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. Anyway, let's keep watching. Make sure to watch till the end and let me know how you find my videos.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, or the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find solace in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend.
Guys, just to give a little details about how I do clean my house. For the water, I do mix my water with a few detergents, not actually a few, just two detergents, that is Say Soft, lavender flavor, and washing powder toast, still lavender flavor, just for nice smell. After I wash, nice smell, I love it so much. And guys, let me tell you, when I'm cleaning my house, I do make sure that hakuna kona haijaoshwa. I touch each and every corner of the house, the four corners of my living room, lazima nizioshe, clean, I mean wipe off the dust on everything, the couches, TV stand, window panes, everywhere. And I just love that. Like, yeah, I love how I love how I do clean my living room, or rather my home. I just love clean spaces. And guys, just keep watching the videos. Please just go down there, engage in the comment section. Let me know, how is my video, by the way? How is my cleaning? How is my tutorial? How is my idea? Like, how is it? Let me know. And if I have gained a new subscriber at this particular point of this video, also let me know. Just go down there and be like, hey Ngina, you've gained a new subscriber. And if you find this video educative, also let me know in the comment section. I mean, don't hesitate, don't be hesitant, just go down there and write. I'll be sure to reply to each and every one of you. And guys, in this video I did a little changes in my room. Like, yeah, mmezoea the normal arrangement, but you'll see the final product that the end product that I change how I do position my seats, and I love it so much. Like, a little changes here and there, out of the ordinary and the normal. I just love it. Or what do you think? How do you find it, by the way? How do you find it? Let me know down there in the comment section. Also, please like my video so that the YouTube can suggest them to other viewers just like you. So just give my videos a thumbs up, you share to your friends and family extensively, and may my God bless you. May my good God bless you. Okay, thank you so much.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway, nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. army of love. I am unafraid. Yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys.
Walking down the streets, feeling the breeze. In the sunshine state where dreams come with ease. Palm trees swaying with the ocean in view. This is the place where I always feel brand new. Sipping on a smoothie, chilling by the shore. Got my shades on, feeling like I can't be ignored. Sun-kissed skin, feeling so alive in the soft rap game. I strive to thrive. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook. Got the ladies moving and the fellas shook. Just down the boulevard with the top down low. Music blasting loud, feeling the flow. Neon lights flicker in the night's embrace. Lost in the moment, in this rhythmic chase. Catching glances from strangers as I pass them by. In the city of dreams where stars light up the sky. Every step, every verse takes me close to the high. In this soft rap world where I spread my wings and fly. Waves crash, my wings and fly. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook. Got the ladies moving and the fellas shook. Underneath the blazing sun, where the sky meets the sea, I find my inspiration, where I'm truly free. With each rhyme and each beat, I paint my own story. In this endless summer where worries turn to glory.
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild.
Guys, finally we're done and this is the outcome. I mean, this is the final. As you can see, I've interchanged my seat and I like it that way. I mean, we've done so much. I mean, I love clean spaces, neat spaces, and this is simplicity, and this is what I call a home. I mean, this is such a home for me. I love my spaces, well kept. I mean tidy places. So thank you for keeping me company, and if I have gained a new subscriber at this particular point of the video, let me know in the comment section. That just go down there and be like, hey Nina, you've gained a new subscriber. And if you love this video and you'd love to see more of this, please subscribe. I mean, subscribe for more cleaning ideas, how-to videos, decor. It's all about lifestyle. I mean, how to everything to do with my lifestyle. So yeah, this is, and I love this so much. This is where I've kept my flower, and yo, I love it so much. Actually, nearly tore my throw blankets because I really sit in here. Like, I just love my bedroom. But once we get a new coffee table, we're gonna be back here. So stay tuned and let's meet in the next part of my amazing vlogs. Until then, stay safe, be kind, be good, love yourself more. Bye. Treat yourself with care. Take care of your environment, take care of the energies around you. Be very careful. Bye.